mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin yung dalawang joker guys. Patin natin guys. Ngayon guys, 25 cards lang ang naka face down card guys. 25 cards ang nakataob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The Magician is correct guys. 25 lang ang nakataob guys, or naka face down card guys. Ngayon guys, 5 cards lang ang red cards guys. Yung red cards guys, straight royal plus is to 5 guys. Bilangin natin guys kung straight royal plus 5 cards guys. The Magician is correct guys. 5 cards lang. Royal plus is to 5. Thank you for watching guys.